Hello and welcome to Bikerheadz. I'm Jo and I'll be bringing you all our latest product releases of motorcycle kit. Today we'd like to show you our favorite winter gloves. The temperatures have dropped quite a bit in the UK and we all know that cold hands are the quickest way to getting miserable on a motorcycle. These are all designed to work with heated grips, so they're thin on the palm but still nice and thick on the outer side of the glove. Here's our top spec Rocker winter glove called R-Star. Full leather, Gore-Tex, waterproof and breathable glove with dual chambers for either added grip or warmth, knuckle protection, a scaphoid slider, double velcro and a low visor wiper, and it is $249.99. These are two more budget-friendly options from Racer. Both these gloves are breathable but waterproof and they both are touchscreen compatible. The Racer Tour winter glove padded on a knuckle and scaphoid and is only $79.99, and the Racer Carbon offers carbon knuckle protection and scaphoid slider and is $109.99. Hello and welcome. That didn't take long. Our motorcycle kit. All our latest releases of motorcycle kit. And again. Yeah. Hello and welcome. All our latest product releases. This was awful. Again. Wow, all these crumbs. Left for later. I'm Jo and I'll be... Hello and welcome to Biker. I can't do this. All our list. Oh, I can't do this. Of motorcycle kit. Oh my goodness. It's getting worse and worse. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Hello and welcome to blah blah blah. Wasn't bad. Of motorcycle kit. Ooh, that was good. Product releases of motorcycle kit.